Big changes on YouTube. The trending tab is gone. Yep, you heard me right. The trending tab that used to be on the home face of YouTube is currently gone. Trending is no longer trending. So, what does this mean for creators? What does this mean for viewers? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. YouTube announced that they were removing the trending tab, which we've seen for years, that has showed us what was hot here on YouTube. So we went from possibly seeing our favorite YouTubers on that trending tab, and it used to be like a big deal to get on that trending page because you would get exposed to so many viewers and have potential subscribers from being on that trending tab. However, this has changed. YouTube is one of the biggest search engines in the world, being owned by Google, that now they want to cater to the viewer. They want to put, the algorithm now puts information and videos in front of their viewers based off of what you're searching for, because it's a search engine. So if there are specific topics that you typically come to YouTube for, it is actually going to push more of those types of videos out into your algorithm for you to see very similar things. For one, this is really great for new creators who haven't had that much exposure, but if they're talking about those right topics, they can actually get pushed in front of viewers who are wanting to see that type of content. So that is a really great way to get discovered. If you're talking about very specific or niche down topics, which could be put into a search engine, right? This is why SEO, that term, search engine optimization, is so important when you're creating your titles and thumbnails. You're putting in your tags or your descriptions. All of those are going to be super important if you are a content creator for viewers to see you. This can help the viewer, and it can also help the new creator, making sure that you are optimizing your SEO so you are able to be found on certain topics. And if you've ever thought about being a content creator, this is the best time that you could ever start a channel. I'm not even kidding. If you go back and watch one of my other videos linked up here, nobody cares. It is because this is the best time in history to start a YouTube channel. This could be about anything, but I would recommend doing your research, doing your due diligence. And if you don't know where to start, then I would start searching what are the most researched topics, right? Creating your own trending tab of your own information that you can go and share and add value to an audience and give them the information that they need. If you are already creating something, building a business, or have a lot of education that you could go and share to an audience, this is the best time for you to do so and put that information out there to teach somebody how to do whatever your niche and topic is. What replaced the trending tab? Well, YouTube charts are now getting pushed out even more. This has to do with music and movies, can help you explore certain topics and have that discovery option there. So what do you think about YouTube's big move and getting rid of the trending tab? I know many creators in the past used to pray and hope that they would get onto that trending page and be on that trending tab to be seen by viewers. Some people have even mentioned that some of their views have tanked because of this. I want to know what your guys' experience has been. Has your views tanked since this change with YouTube, or do you feel that you are getting found by the right audience because of proper SEO? I want to hear from you down in the comments. Go ahead and leave us whether you are a viewer or if you are a content creator here on YouTube and how those things are currently affecting you. And if you want to stay up to date with different changes here on YouTube or what's happening in our world, then go ahead and hit that like button and make sure that you are subscribed and tap that little notification bell so you do not miss the next video.